What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Robert SK from Drimax School of Photography in yet another amazing tutorial. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to create melanin skin in Adobe Photoshop, or how to darken skin using Adobe Photoshop. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell in order not to miss out on the future subsequent content that I'll be dropping every time. So as a photographer, whenever I'm working with dark skin models, I always make sure I get the skin tone right straight from camera. But if that fails, I will have to work that out using Adobe Photoshop, and it's a process that I'm going to be showing you guys. Yes, without wasting a lot of time, let's get started with the tutorial. Like I said, I'm going to show you how to create dark skin or melanin skin using Adobe Photoshop. Step number one, we have to duplicate this background layer. I normally duplicate these layers in order to have my original layer safe. So the next step, we are going to go to the layer blending mode here, and we put it to multiply, just like that. Then we go to image adjustments, we select desaturate here. After doing that, I'm going to go to again to image adjustments. I go to shadows highlights. When I go to shadows highlights, I'll open up the shadows a little bit in order to have more information in the shadows. And after that, you press OK. After pressing OK, I'm going to add a layer mask onto that. Then I'll select the part of the skin where I want to add the effect, just like that. Just like that. Yes, after doing the selection, this is a rough selection. Then we start painting white over this layer mask in order to put our effect. When I'm working, I make sure I work on every part of this where the skin is, on every part of the skin. But I have to make sure I don't work where there is makeup. I'll leave the areas with makeup, the eyeshadow and the lipstick. Make sure you don't miss out on any part. Make sure you don't miss out on any part of the skin as you're working. Yes, just like that. Let me deselect so that I can fill up all these areas where the selection didn't go. Yes. Now you're not supposed to miss out. You're not supposed to miss out on any part here. Yes, just like that. After doing that, what I see now is that my effect is slightly low, so I'll duplicate that layer so that I dial my effect. Then I reduce the opacity here slightly, but then I'll have to darken the makeup a little bit so that it is not too plastic. I'll reduce the opacity here. Yes, just like that. Yes. Make sure you don't put it on the background. Make sure you don't put the effect on the background. Yes, after doing that, the next step, I'm going to add a little bit of contrast on my skin. Yes, just like that. I'll need to reduce the reds a little bit. Go to hue saturation here. I select reds. I think -20 is fair. The yellows as well, -20, I think, somewhere around there. Yes, I think we've achieved our melanin skin. Let me group this so that I can show you the before and the after. This is the before and that is the after. Of course, after this you will have a lot of work working on that skin texture, retouching and all that, but that is how easily you can darken skin using Adobe Photoshop. So now you can use this technique to get the skin tone right in Photoshop, or you can just use it for artistic purposes, just to have a very unique effect on your images. Yes, thank you very much for watching this video. If you found this video interesting, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, comment and share your suggestion and views in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.